Yes, sir.
Woo, it is nice and rainy today. Look, I want to talk a few minutes about something that I saw yesterday. So I got this, I turned on Doordash. So I woke up in the middle of the night. I think it was like, what, 12:30 a.m.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
I woke up and I was like, let me turn on Doordash and just see what it looked like. I know it ain't gonna be busy. And I saw this right here. I'm gonna throw a screenshot up. $5 peak pay, right? So it's normally $13 an hour for earn by time in my market. With the $5 peak pay, it is now $18 per hour during the peak pay time. I wanna make sure I get this out to all the people out there, cause look, earn by time is not the best, but it has uses, right? I'm currently using it right now. I'm on day number 2 of using earn by time to raise my acceptance rate, right? But let's just have a look at this. Let's say you dashing, you know, doing the drive-through pickups during the midnight hours, right? $18 an hour plus tips guaranteed. You already spend extra time during the late night hours. So yeah, they do give you some peak pay here and there, but to get the peak pay added on to your earn by time, you know, if you stuck in the drive-through or you have a really long wait, or you know, just an order with a lot of miles, this right here can make it, I mean, just worth it right there on a baseline level, even without the tips, because $18 an hour in some markets, I know it ain't gonna be everywhere, it's gonna really make a big difference on if you can wait on an order, if an order is acceptable. So let me know in the comments below, are you seeing anything similar? Are you seeing bonuses and peak pays added onto earn by time in your market? Because I tell you what, I have seen peak pay in my market at the same time as earn by time. But this is the first time recently that I've seen it added onto the earn by time feature, especially when it's this much peak pay. I know I've seen a couple other content creators saying similar things. Peak pay has been added on the earn by time, but this is a $5 peak pay, y'all. Let me know what's the highest peak pay that you've seen added on to earn by time. And is that something you're gonna try out? Are you someone who usually dashes in the mornings or the afternoon or the night and you don't mess with the late night? Would an extra $5 on earn by time make you kind of, you know what I'm saying, think twice and maybe try it out? I don't know, because look, I seen that and I was like, you know what, $18 an hour ain't a lot. But if I'm in a situation where I'm trying to raise my acceptance rate and I'm knowing I'm not gonna make the most money, you know, a lot of money like I usually do, and I'm already making a sacrifice there, this right here could be a nice small incentive to make it a little more profitable when you out there trying to raise that acceptance rate using earn by time. I think I stopped at 11:30 on day 1, so I didn't quite go to midnight or into the next day. But I was planning on doing it at least one of these days during the week so that I can raise my rates up. And it'd be awesome if I could see, woo, y'all hear that thunder? Man, it's been raining all morning. When I woke up, it was hailing. I had to go ahead and check on the car, make sure it was all good. Yeah, I think we good now, y'all. But, you know, this is something I might have to do, because if I see an extra $5, you know, on earn by time, and I'm only using it to raise my acceptance rate, now I know it's gonna be some out there in some markets where, you know, earn by time actually is the preferred way to go. And I've been hearing a lot of that. You know, the days of us just cherry picking and declining 50 orders per hour, those days are over. If you got a low acceptance rate, you're probably not even seeing 50 orders in a week, okay? So with earn by time and peak pay, promotions being added onto earn by time and using that in conjunction just to hit a goal, like, you know, raise your acceptance rate, so when the busier time does come around, you in a better position to get those better paying orders. Because we all know, look, if it's trash orders out there, if it's miserable customers ordering, you gonna see the same orders that everybody else see, right? But I think there's also another side to that. I think at the peak times, breakfast rush, lunch rush, dinner rush, I think at those times, you actually will see some priority on some higher paying orders, either the 2-to-1 miles to money orders, the pizza bag orders, or even the large order program orders. So I say that because I've been seeing results, you know, on different platforms, not just YouTube, but, you know, Instagram, TikTok. People are talking about the change in Doordash that's happening right now. And you know what? I want to make sure that everybody who follows this channel has as much information as possible and that you can make an educated decision on what you want to do. Because I'm going to tell you right now, last year, I was not trying to hear nothing about no earn by time. I'm not trying to raise my acceptance rate, okay? And honestly, if they ain't sending me the best offers, to hell with them. But you know what? Times is changing, and I don't need Doordash to make my money. But you know what? I got a channel, and I got a responsibility to, you know, do some things. And one of the things I said was, will raising my acceptance rate make a difference? And you know what? The only way to see that without suffering a heart attack from seeing a 250 order going 10 miles, the only way to raise my acceptance rate is to use earn by time so that I can alleviate myself from the pains of seeing that $3 order going 7 miles. Or that $2 order, you know, 250, 225, whatever the base pay is out here going however many miles. Cause look, it's one thing to get an order going $4 X amount of miles, right? But it's a whole nother thing to get a no-tip order going any amount of miles, especially over 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 miles. Now you might just pop a blood vessel at that point, like for real. But look, I'm getting a little off track. I wanted to bring you guys this information because look, let me know in the comments below. Are you gonna try this out if you see it? Because I'm gonna let you know right now. I was a little tired when I woke up. I wasn't planning on going out. But now that I done seen this, hey, if I see it again, I'll give it a shot. I'll grab the GoPro, grab the keys, hop in the car, and I'll try this out, and I'll record my experience showing you guys, so maybe you can have a better, you know, visual representation of what it may look like for you. It may not look like that, but I'm gonna do that for you instead. And anyways, look, I got you. You know, Dash and Trader always hook you up. But look, final words for this video. If you made it this far, you are the real MVP. On this channel, we help you maximize with gig apps like Doordash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Instacart, Walmart, Spark, all of them. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Stop playing with me. Fastest Dasher alive. And check this out. Look, YouTube think you need to go ahead and watch this video next because they know I be dropping knowledge. They know it. They know if you come into this channel and you watch a video, and if you make it this long, this is what you want to see right here. They already know. They didn't already did all the analytics, ran the algorithm. They know what you want to watch. So go ahead and click that right there. Stop playing with me. I'll catch you in the next one.